Senior Nutrition, Easy Fortified Soup Recipe. Hi, I'm Sofia with Ivy's Touch Home Healthcare. In our last video, we talked about nutrient fortification, maximizing calories and protein in small portions. Today, I want to show you how to put those exact tips into practice with a quick, nutrient-dense creamy potato soup. This simple recipe turns a basic bowl of soup into a high-powered meal for small appetites. First, swap the water. Instead of boiling your potatoes and cauliflower in plain water, simmer them directly in collagen-rich bone broth. This adds vital protein and rich flavor right from the start. Second, blend in healthy fats. Before pureeing, add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or half an avocado into the blender. This creates a silky texture while delivering healthy calories without adding heavy bulk. Third, fold in your protein boost. Right before serving, stir in 2 tablespoons of full-fat Greek yogurt or unflavored protein powder. It adds extra creaminess while helping preserve muscle strength. With these 3 quick tweaks, a single small cup of soup provides double the nourishment without feeling overwhelming on the plate. If you found this recipe helpful, please like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and follow our page for more practical caregiving tips. Leave a comment below if there is a specific in-home care topic you'd like us to cover here at Ivy's Touch Home Healthcare. And if you'd like to talk to me directly or learn more, head over to the link in the description below.